All right, let's move on. So today what we're going to do is firstly a warm welcome, all right, to your P6 English class. My name is Gloria. I think I had met you before, but for Pranuj and Pini, welcome. All right, I'm going to be your English teacher, and I know, Pini, I could hear you. Hello.
Oh, you can hear me?
Perfect.
Oh, it's because my microphone was connected to stereo mix, but then it couldn't hear me, so I
Okay.
had to change it to this microphone.
All right, it's perfect now. Pini, you want to tell me? Okay, you already said your name and everything. Perhaps could you tell me what did you get for English for your P5 final examination?
72 out of 90. I think it's 90, yeah.
Yeah, so it's AL.
AL, I think 3 or 4.
Okay. All right. So all of you guys, I need to move your AL3s to AL1, and that is the aim for our tuition. All right. So two things, just to set some ground rules. Always switch on your videos and always make sure your audio is working because English is not only about reading and writing, it is also about speaking. So our lessons will be interactive. Is that clear? All right. So today's focus, a little bit about myself. My name is Gloria. I have been a teacher for about 15 years, 20 years in the industry, 15 years teaching, 2.5 years in Raffles Primary, and about 10 to 12 years in Wheatley Secondary, and another 3 years as a lecturer. Right now, I'm not in the sunny city of Singapore. I am in Australia, Perth. All right. And I am doing my third degree, another master's degree, and I'm also part-time teaching at a university as a lecturer, on a part-time basis. All right. Okay. So don't worry, you're in good hands because I've got lots and lots of experience, and I hope that I will take you through the next 8 to 9 months before your PSLE, and we will make all your AL3s into one. However, for that to happen, you need to, it takes two hands to clap, right? So you need to put in as much effort as I do. And when I ask questions and everything, be very quick to unmute yourself and, of course, chime in. All right. Today, we're going to be doing three things. We're going to be doing grammar, comprehension, and synthesis. All right. All right. Some house rules. It is compulsory that you turn on your video and mute your microphone. All right. You do rename yourself if you've done. Please use the chat function if you would like to do anything, ask a question, answer, and everything. If there's anything urgent, use your raise your hand function. But before that, could everyone show me a thumbs up function in the reaction button, please? A reaction button. Pranush, reaction button. Not raise your hand, darling. Reaction button. There's a thumbs up. Can you see? Yeah, perfect. All right. If you need to be excused for a toilet or anything, please let me know by the chat function. All right. And the classroom is the place for you to make all the mistakes because this is where we learn from each other. We learn together. All right. And we learn from each other. And most importantly, make all the mistakes here so that we can learn so that you will not make those mistakes again in your school or in your exam. Okay. All right, today we're going to do grammar MCQs, comprehension cloze, and synthesis. So we're going to just jump straight into grammar. I have about 10 questions. This is what I want you to do. When I show you the question, can you go to the chat function and could you type in the essay answer to me? Hang on, let me duplicate. Oh, sorry. All right, and can you go to the chat function and give me the answers, please? Not to everyone, privately to me. Don't give me the answer, give me the letter A, B, C, or D, okay? All right, the answer is yes, the answer is who? So when we look at this, the woman who, oh dear Lord, hang on, sorry, something's happening. Okay, that's better. All right, so all of y'all got the answer right. So your answer here would be who? Oh no, what happened? All right, the woman who just spoke to you. All right, it is not whom, it is not whose, it's not which. All right, this is not the answer because this is possessive. All right, this is reference, and of course, it's not which can refer not to a person but a thing. All right, let's do number 2. The books don't belong to you, they dash, the boys claim. All right, faster. Finish faster. All right. Okay, so there's going to be 10 questions, and I want you to make a mental calculation of how many marks you got, because at the end, you're going to review. All right. So these books don't belong to you, they are ours. All of you all have. I don't know why this keeps going like that. All of you all have the right answer. All right, they are not yours, but they are ours. All right, all 3 of yours. Dash color, do you like pink or blue? Which that fits? Can I have your answers quickly? I want to train you how to think faster and write faster as well. All right, all 3 of you are correct. Which color? Can I tell you something? A lot of the students sometimes say what color. It is not what color, it is which color. So when do I say what color? What color do you like if I just am not giving you a choice? But because I'm giving you an option here, it will be which. All right. And what color is also a bit too Singlish, it's not grammatically correct as well. All right, let's move on to the next one. 4. Oh, sorry, 4. Raphael Dash writing stories and has written several semi-true stories this year. All right, very good. All of y'all are extremely fast and I love it. The answer is B, Raphael likes. Okay, why likes? Because he has written, all right, present past tense, and it's this year and it's continuing to do so. All right, so likes. Well done. 5. Some words on this page that's very visible. I can barely read them. Hanmei done? Hindi done, right? And Pranush is done as well. All right, all of you got it right, but I just want to bring your attention. See if you can unmute yourself and let's just discuss this, all right? So if you look at these words, instead of the negative words, sorry, I'm going to make it positive. So let's just write here. Hang on. All right. So stay with me here. So we have the word is, we have the word are, we have the word was, and we have the word were. All right, so if you look at this word, I know you got it right, but I just want to explain this a bit further. What is the similarities between is and are, was and were? Can anybody tell me? Unmute and when it's Pranesh, you can unmute yourself and say yes.
Is and are present. Was and were are past tense.
Perfect. So this is your present tense, while this is your past tense. Fantastic. There's still one more about is and what. Okay, let me yes. Yes, Sunny.
Is and was is for singular, are and were are for plural.
Perfect. This is for singular, and this is for plural. Oh my God, you guys are going to get my A1s, double ones. Fantastic. And if you look at this, some words, so this is plural. On this page, all right, we do not know whether it's, okay, so we already know it's plural, so we know it has to be were or are. But how do we know whether it's are or were? Because we look at the word can. So this tells me it's present tense. So therefore, the answer is are, which in other words, it's aren't. Are you getting it? So that is the thought process that goes through to get this answer. All right, number 6, very quickly. Oh, it's Rose. Guys, sorry guys, give me 1 minute. Sorry, the mouse is working, but this screen that is blocking us in. Let's close it. All right. See if I can write and whether it works, okay? All right, all of y'all got it right as well. The slideshow dash about to start when the computer screen suddenly went blank. All right? So it went blank, so the slideshow, is it has been or had been? Of course, definitely not has been about to start. This is wrong English. It's about to start or was about to start. Because of the word went, we know it is past tense. The answer is B. Fantastic. All right, let me change it to red. All right, next one, question 7. So far, everyone's getting everything correct, and I love it. But keep your scores because we want to see what the scores are. All right, 7 next Monday. All right, one of you gotten it wrong, Pranush. Look at the answer, darling. Next Monday, dash Renma's birthday. Let's plan a surprise for her, father said. Not shall be, not will be. Oh, sorry. Yes, next Monday. It's definitely not was because it's past tense. All right, it's not shall be as well. Next Monday is, oh no, what's wrong with my pen? Something is happening with my pen. Next Monday is grandma's birthday. Let's plan a surprise. So Pranush, just one mistake, darling. Never mind, let's start. 8. Pinny wrong. Tanmay correct. Tanmay wrong. Pranush wrong. Ooh, all of y'all got this wrong. All right, give me 1 second, guys. Try to figure out if you can figure this out. I'm just gonna go and go. Oh no, I haven't figured it out. One second. It's better. Oh, something's happening. Wait, where am I? Okay, 8, sorry. Penny B, Pranush B. Tanmay is not D, darling. What do you think it is? Who said D? Could you unmute yourself? Sorry. Tanmay, are you the one who said D? All right, I want to focus here, so please pay attention. Your sister has what? All right. So look at this word has here. So this is the one that will be turned into negative here. Your sister has bought another mobile phone. Hasn't. Your sister becomes a she, so hasn't she. So it will be hasn't she. But if I change to your sister did buy another mobile phone, then the answer will be, if I say did buy, what's the answer going to be? Unmute yourself. Your sister did buy another phone.
Didn't she?
Didn't she? So if I say did buy, oh dear Lord, then it will be didn't she. But if I say has bought, then it has to be hasn't she. Are you getting it? Got it? Your sister will buy another mobile phone. How will I change that? Your sister will buy, what would it be? Penny?
Didn't she?
Didn't you?
Oh,